Hello guys, I hope you're doing well. In this video we are going to learn how to use these navigation buttons at the bottom to navigate between the page. Say suppose you launch the website and this is the home page screen, and if you browse through the pages and it will keep on recording in the browsing history. So once you want to visit the previous page or any of the pages that you have previously visited, what you can do is you can tap on this back button here in the screen and it will display the list of all pages that you have recently visited. So you can select any of the page and it will take you back to the previous page. Similarly, if you have navigated to any previous page and if you want to jump back to the latest page, you can tap and hold this forward facing arrow and it will display the list of all the websites and you can choose any of it, or you can just simply tap on this forward facing or right facing arrow and then it will take you to the latest page that you have last accessed. Once you are on the last page, this option or this right facing arrow will be disabled, and similarly if you are at the very beginning of the page, the left facing arrow will be disabled. So in this way you can navigate to previous or next page in Edge browser. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you. Cheers. Have a great day.